Hi guys, I've been doing a bike check on my new premium Spire, and it's Christmas today, and yeah, let's start with the pegs. They put the pegs on the wrong side. As you can see, it's on the left, so I think I'm going to change them and put them on the right, so that's what side I like it. See, the frame's pretty cool looking. See? Yeah, and like the front one's the front tire's a little wider. Just premium headset. Stem and all that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Cranks are just premium cranks. Odyssey pedals, if you can read that. And then came with it was a half link chain. See? Premium sprocket. Finally got a smaller sprocket now. So that's good. Just premium seat and stuff. That's good. Yeah, this bike's actually way lighter than my Haro, which is good. My Haro is like a racing one, so it's really light. And I also got a green chain for Christmas. And I just put that on my Haro. See? Yep. Here's the animal tool that I got too, but it's not in there. It's somewhere over there. But yeah. Hope you like